Alright guys, another video here. This time we are going to tackle Amazon, of course, part of the FANGs. I have Amazon here on the screen. As you guys can see, Amazon hitting the 110 mark last week prior to earnings. After earnings, it tried to go back above it, but it just couldn't make it go through. If you look at the bigger picture, remember we just come from that 80 cluster. Back around 2018, we almost hit the 73 bucks, 74 bucks. We came as low as the 82s range on Amazon, and now Amazon trying to make a comeback here above the $100 mark. It is February the 5th. Let's see what the next week is going to come to. The February the 10th, OPEX weekly for Amazon. So far, pretty much all the FANGs stocks, the Facebooks, you saw the big move out of Facebook this week. Google was kind of muted. I think that the one that took the biggest hit was Amazon this week when it came to earnings. Now, having said that, if you look straight up at the distribution of money, right, how people were ringing the register right on the 115s and on the 110s on Fridays, we couldn't get above the 110. We did try it. I was planning to put some trade on, and I fell at it really badly because I was looking for the 117s CCS. I think it was 115, 120 on a credit call spread at the top, and I fell at it. I never got filled. I never got the money that I wanted it. So the coming week will be important for me. I have a couple of lots. I think I have 350 still from the 87s. We are long the stocks already from the 87. We've been selling puts. Spreads at the bottom, PCS, to collect premium, and then we've been riding it, selling calls, selling cover calls all the way to the top. The last one that we did was on the 115, I believe it is, and that one actually expired worthless last week. Okay, so coming back to this 100 mark is important. Let's see if we're going to hold on to the demand zone here on the 100. If we find some type of support, that would give me an idea that it could be a good chance to set up a 95, 92 and a quarter, or a 95, 90 call spreads. Those spreads, Friday, they were not paying that much. If you look at next month, if you want to go as far as February, you can do the February with 12 days out. Let's look at the 97, 95. Let's see if there is any juice on that one. It's about 18 bucks, not a lot, but the 97, 95 with $2 spread, 33 cents. I would like to collect about 66 cents on this one if that comes back into play this week. Let me save this one. The 97, 95 on Amazon. Okay, 97, 95 on Amazon. If we look at the 100, what I'm planning to do is observe what the market is going to do. Right? What are they going to do right here at the 100 this week? Are we going to be able to hold on to it, find some demand, and try to make a U-turn back to the trend line? Remember, this trend line that is, you guys look over here, this trend line is the one that we started back in last April, last May, and we just puke September going into December, right? Bad news on Amazon last 6 months. Now we're trying to find some support here on the 100. I like the stock. I like everything I've seen so far in earnings. There were a couple of analyses that I gave a couple of weeks ago to my guys in the room. So my expectations are, if we hold the 197 area on Amazon, we can retrace back and try to push above this 110 earnings news. All right. So those of you who trade for DTEs on a weekly basis, pay attention to two things. One of them is right here on the 100 mark. Like I said early on, are we going to hold on to this? Is there going to be enough demand here to hold on? We did try to break just this past Monday. After we broke to the 100, they did try to push the prices lower without finding any sellers. If we do find sellers, remember, you have these 96 bucks that we look for. And I believe this will be the place where I'm going to be executing those spreads. If I were to execute a put spread, I would do it right on the 98, 97 bucks. Okay. Let me create an alert of this one. See if the moment it goes below the 98.50, I want to be notified about it, because that's when you want to collect some premium, see if the market is going to find some type of support, balance, kill some theta, and let those put spreads go to zero. Like I said, you can play on the February. I have the February hit on my list, but just on Friday, I was looking far away, like 40 days away on the 100 mark. And if you look at the 100 put spread, let's say the 199, which is only $1 spread, this is not bad. Paying about 40 cents, that's pretty good. I always like to collect more than 33% on my spreads, and I like this one. 40 cents. If we can get it for a 50, maybe 60 cents, this would be good, right? Worst case scenario, if your Amazon drops below the 100, what you're going to do is you're going to defend that position. Let me put it on 10 here because I gotta make sure that 10 goes through when I send the order. So if you do not know how to trade spreads and you want to play it with a directional, you might want to hold on to your 103, 102 area. If 102 breaks that 102 level, you're probably gonna hit this 100 mark. And if you do, you can just play it with the directional put, okay, when it comes to Amazon. Once you break the 102, there was money at 102.85, I remember on the tape. But once you break the 102.85, 102.50, there are good chances then we're gonna go and tag the 100 mark. So pay attention to what you're doing when it comes to how do you play Amazon. If you play it with a credit spread on the other hand, you can always defend that by going back ratio on it. You can learn that more at our website, orderflowuniversity.com, where we teach options and spreads, strangles, iron condors, and other techniques. So having said that, on Amazon, I like what I see so far. I really like the trend that we are trying to build up. It's looking like trying to bottom in here. It's a nice bottom that probably is gonna take a couple of months. I would love to see a nice cup and handle on this one. Give me the 95, and after we get the cup and handle, we can go to the 130s once again. We need to break the 110, 115 level on Amazon. All right, so I hope this video helps you in your trading career. I'll be seeing you guys in the trading room. Again, if you're not part of my group, please go ahead and visit us at orderflowuniversity.com. There is also some information here in the video at the end of the video where I display where to go and join our Discord chat. You're gonna find a lot of professional traders there who are more than happy to jump on and help you out throughout some of the trades that we pick here in the room. All right, thank you so much. Take care. I'll be seeing you guys in the trading room. God bless.